Enjoy your patio in all seasons with this attractive stainless steel tabletop patio heater from Firesense. The power of 10,000 BTUs of heat output will keep you and your loved ones warm and comfortable outdoors during the chilly season. This heater uses a standard 1-pound LP gas cylinder, which is not included with your purchase. The stainless steel materials give this heater the style you want and the quality that will last year after year. This lightweight and portable tabletop heater comes with an oxygen depletion sensor and a tilt shutoff switch for safety. This exciting heater from Firesense is an ideal solution for any outdoor living space. Firesense, the fire of living.
Enjoy your patio in all seasons with this attractive Havana Bronze powder coat finish commercial patio heater from Amazon Basics. This 46,000 BTU heater creates wonderful warmth that is effective up to a 9-foot radius. The heater uses a standard 20-pound LP gas cylinder, which is not included with your purchase. The deep bronze powder-coated finish creates a perfect companion color for the most fashionable patio decor items. This patio heater comes with a reliable piezo igniter, wheels for easy mobility, a weighted base for stability, and a tilt shutoff switch for safety. The sturdy design and commercial-grade materials enable this heater to weather the elements for years. This exciting heater from Amazon Basics is an ideal solution for any outdoor living space.
Skills on how to fire up the tabletop patio heater. Basically, one of the main things is making sure that you press in the control knob completely. Pushing in the control knob all the way down and turning the control knob to the left until it stops. Is basically what we're doing at this point is letting all the air get out of the line till you get to the top of the pilot. So you keep this held in, turn to the left, make sure it's pushed all the way in, and we're going to hit the igniter button 15 times. We get a pilot up at the top. We have a small hole where we can see the pilot. It's just at the bottom portion of the burner. Letting go of the knob will let the pilot burn. When you go to turn the patio heater on high, you turn. When you initially get a pilot, you want to let go of the knob so that the knob comes completely out. And at this point, you want to turn it to the left, making sure that it goes to high. At this point, the burner should come all the way on, and then at that point, you want to turn it down to low, and you can use desired heat at that point. The screen at the top, within 15 minutes, should turn glowing red,